Hey flipper fans, here's a riddle. What's purple, lives in the shell, loves to swim but hates water? It's your Flipper Zero in Lab401's brand new hard shell. You've probably already got a case for your flipper, so why do you need another? The Lab401 Hard Shell is the only case that protects your flipper outside, inside and even your accessories. On the outside, it's a battle-ready injection molded ABS hard case that's built to last. Assembly is easy, you don't need to modify your flipper. Each part clicks and slips into place and is secured by 2 stainless steel bolts. Yes, we had lots of fun over-engineering this, but the end result is an incredibly solid case. The real innovation of the Lab401 Hard Shell is the replaceable GPIO boards. Large accessories of frequent use make your flipper's GPIO sockets loose. Loose sockets means your accessories constantly slip out, disconnect, or cause your flipper to crash. The Lab401 Hard Shell introduces replaceable GPIO boards. When they're fatigued, simply swap them out for new ones. Your flipper's internal sockets are protected. And for the developers out there, there's also a fuse protected version. The onboard fuse is designed to blow just before the flipper internal fuse, protecting your device from disaster. Finally, we've added silicone shoulders. When they're in place, they support your accessories, no more bent, broken or snapped pins. We built the hard shell to solve all day-to-day problems, and we're excited to share it with you. We've taken lots of care with every element. Each case comes with the hard shell itself, front, back and GPIO holder. There's a little bag inside with 3 spare PCBs. You can also find the Allen key and the screws in a box for assembly. I almost forgot to mention that the packaging itself is unbleached cardboard with soy-based ink. Whether you want to pimp or protect your flipper, we think the Lab401 Hard Shell provides the perfect balance of style and functionality. It's in stock right now at lab401.com.